Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine, and this right here is the Galaxy Watch Active. And if you guys follow my channel, you know that I've been in search for an Android smartwatch. And I was looking at a bunch of Android Wear ones. I actually reviewed the Ticwatch, so if you want to see that review, I'll leave a card up on the screen. But I thought I might try the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch because I am using a Samsung Galaxy S10. So this video is just the unboxing and initial impressions. So this is a very small package. It's a very small box compared to the Ticwatch. So let's just open up and see what's actually on the inside. So when we open it up, right away we are greeted with a watch. And there seems to be extra bands. So this is what the watch looks like. Let's put that aside, see what else comes in the box. And this right here, you get the magnetic charging cable, and it's USB on one side, magnetic plate on the other side. There's nothing else in the box. And doesn't seem like there's anything else in the bottom of this box. And there's the paperwork right in here. So we have the paperwork right over here, just Samsung instructions. Let's put that aside. And let's see what's in here. So this is another band, and I believe it's just a longer band. So you have this one right here. And then you have this one, which is a little bit longer, and that's supposed to be used if you have larger hands. But I'm just going to stick with this one first to see if it fits. Now let's see if there is something on the display here that I can peel off. It doesn't seem like there's anything on this display to peel off. And on the back there's nothing to peel off, but this is the watch. This is what it looks like. It looks really good. Let me see if it'll power on and it's got some juice. Okay, so there it goes, turning on, and it feels good in the hand. It's really light. Really light. Okay, so that's how it looks on the wrist. It fits comfortable. It's extremely light, and I like this band right here that they have included. And right away you see it says let's go to swipe up. But the first thing that I do notice is just the size of that bezel. Like, if you guys can see, this is where the edge of the watch is, and that's where the bezel is. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up later on in a second, but right now I just wanted to see how this looks and how this feels. And in comparison, here's the Apple Watch Series 4, and if I just, they weigh right around the same. The Apple Watch and the Galaxy Active Watch, they weigh right around the same just from the hand. I'll look up the specs later on when I do my full review of the Galaxy Active Watch. And then from side to side, you could see right there, they're almost the same thickness. But overall, both of these watches feel good in the hands, and I'm gonna check this watch out, use it for a couple weeks, and then come back and let you guys know exactly what I think about it. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that quick unboxing, and if you have any questions about the Samsung Active Watch, then let me know down below in the description. I'll be over there answering questions. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.